Hey, soil lovers. Welcome back to Soil Books, the place where nature meets knowledge. Today, we're diving into something that's alive, wriggly, and incredibly powerful for your soil. Yes, earthworms. Have you ever seen a worm bin or tried composting before? Comment below and let's get the conversation wriggling. Vermicomposting uses earthworms, mainly red wigglers, to break down organic waste into vermicast, also known as worm poop, a super fertilizer. It's 100% organic, odor-free, and sustainable. That's why farmers call it black gold. This black gold contains 5 times more nitrogen, 7 times more phosphorus, and 11 times more potassium than average compost. Step 1. Choose a plastic or wooden box and drill holes for air and drainage. Keep it in a shaded, cool place. Step 2. Add bedding like shredded newspaper or coconut coir. Keep it moist, like a wrung-out sponge. Step 3. Add red wigglers. Avoid earthworms from garden soil. These guys are the composting champions. Step 4. Feed them fruit and veggie scraps, coffee grounds, and crushed eggshells. Avoid oily food, citrus, meat, and dairy. After 2-3 months, separate the worms and harvest your black gold. Use it in pots, garden beds, or mix with seed soil. Avoid these mistakes. Overfeeding leads to bad smells. Don't let it get too dry or wet, and always cover food scraps. Pro tip. Add cardboard after feeding, use the liquid as diluted fertilizer, and it's a great project for kids. Want to see my worm bin tour next? Let me know in the comments. If this helped you, subscribe, and share with your eco-friendly friends. Let's reduce waste and build a greener future, one worm at a time. Thanks for watching Soil Books.